Encourage erumuneko rw'abeegi b'ishomero bari mu gurupu y'abaana nshanju na bashatu nibagikoreraho ishomereri kandi enshohera ezi nibaziriisiza omuri za cages ahaizire kuteerera amahuri. Bwanyuma y'okuteera amahuri aga abeegi nibagiiha omu bwa cage bagateekaho kugaarikirira okumara ebiro bishatu kuhisa aha biro 4 obwegari aha butagaso obukuba buragiirwe. Bwanyuma y'ebiro ebirikuragiirwa kuhika aga nigateekwa omu mwanya ogu bakweta rubber-room ahi garikuba gaine kuriisibwa.
For 3 to 4 days, and we had under the temperature of 34 to 35 degrees. We always regulate the temperature using a thermometer. After 3 to 4 days, the eggs hatch into young larvae, which we wait for other 3 days for them to become visible. After the 3 days, we bring them to the larvarium where we feed them on organic waste.
Ebi nibibasa kujwanjibwa omusaano y'obuhunga narashaka saana kuba barikuba baboniize kurungi nigaheebwa abakazi abarikonsya hamwe n'abaana barikuba bazingamire.
This is where they lay their eggs. We prepare an attractant and we put these cardboards on top so that they can lay their eggs. Then we only put water, they don't feed. They feed on the water and they have a lifespan of only 2 weeks.
Ketra byarugaba omushomesa akazi kandi patron wa group egi nagira ngu bakatandikaho encourage bwanyuma yo gukora okucondoza kw'amaani kandi hona kasasiro nibagiihamu ne.
But we empower and skill the girl child. That's why we involve them in research. We have enabled them rear this black soldier fly, larvae, the black soldier fly that gives us the soldier black fly.
As you see, this is the manure I've been showing you. This is the manure, this one. After me mixing it with the soil, mixing it with the water, so I'll have to bring that manure, this manure. I put it here in the side to prevent decomposition. Remember, the manure is going under the process of decomposition.
Omu kwezi kwa kabiri omu mwaka gw'2020 gavumenti ekarabyaho engenderwaho ensya ey'amashomero garabe nigakuratira okushomesa abeegi. Eyi gavumenti yagizire ngu ekaba egenderire kutaha ebyetaago ebisya by'abeegi okukira munonga okubatunguura omu by'emikono. Gashakwa Jonathan Tusingwire.